Welcome everyone! Let's start soon. Welcome everyone today to this live Forex analysis with me, Evan Beadle, and you, every single one of the e-winner family and e-winning strategy. My name is Evan Beadle. I'm a Forex trader economist and I am the Viking Pitmaster. Let's start out with creating a family of helping each other out, becoming better Forex traders every single day. So, if you're here today brand new, I do much welcome you. Please ask questions, please join along, because this is a wild ride. Buenos dias, buenos dias, or ¿cómo estás? I do apologize if I am very sleepy today. I have just slept, so I'm just waking up. I just saw the phone. I'm like, what's the time? Oh. So I said, let me get it on. Here I am. I am, ready to fight. So let's go. Where are you guys? There you are. So I can see the chat, but nobody's coming in. Interesting. But you can see you here, but I can't message you there. Hello. There we are. Cool. So, what's your first of all, what's your pair today? What's your favorite pair for today? And I then also want to go through some fundamental analysis, just some very fast with you, so that we all agree upon the same thing as to what really happened today, right? So let's go to fxstreet.com and we can go to just very clear, very fast over it, so we all have a same mood of what on earth happened today. So we had the Bank of Canada. They said that they will be tapering the QE, that means stopping or reducing, and signaling they're expecting to lift interest rates in the second half of 2022. That is a reduction from 2023. That is showing improvement in the economy. That shows that the Canadian economy is doing better than expected. So, once that happens, the shorts on CAD now got out of the market, making it look like there's a lot of demand for Canadian. It might come as well that too in the same sense, but mostly it is just, taking profit. So great in profits. US burnt me, David. I was long before the news. Okay, let's go through some pairs. Okay. So, how many are we today? So I have a question today. We have a question today. This might be not necessary to ask, but I still want an answer. Why do you, well, not why do you come, what makes you come, maybe that's maybe. What makes you join this live session? So I will then add that, and I will push that to there, and then boom! Great. So today I am going to be fast, not faster, but at least faster than normal. I think that is okay. I also want you guys to really answer that question. If you are answering the question, what makes you join this live session? Question mark, that would be great. You're in lunch. Hello, James. Path fundamental like Wayne McDonald do, but a bit more structured analysis. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, I don't have a lot of, let's call it, I can't tell you stories, but when I do tell stories, people tend to leave me, so. And then I try also not to jump too much through pairs. So once I've done it twice, I'm like, cool, you go back in this video. As to where you have more people on live, which you have like, what do you have? You have Trader Nick, Wayne, who are mostly live around New York Open. They have like hundreds of people, so they are like one pair. Talk about them 10 minutes, done, one pair. I want to be more listen to, guys, and yeah, I'm a small streamer. I acknowledge we're just 16 people here today. I acknowledge that, and I think it's okay to be small, and I think it's I want to grow myself. I want to grow. I want to help you grow. Not grow as grow as a community, but also help you guys, and therefore we will also grow because I'm helping you guys. So, point being, I'm not in their league, so I hope that you have a connection. I hope you have fun here, though. I hope some of the answers is fun. Chief! That you do a laugh. How I am, a friend. I just woke up, so yeah, that's where I am. I still laugh though, but still. Anyways. People are like, quality over quantity. Yeah. And I don't come here just because I don't have anything, but I do think that USD CAD move today is a great example of, okay, we need to start treating what happened to Canadian after it happened. We can't do anything about the interest rate meeting. That is not in our plans. That is not in our goal. That is not nowhere to be found in my strategy. But what is in my strategy, it is the upcoming strength in the Canadian dollar. You say take TP, run, they buy in and sell zone. That's selling. Yeah, I will do Aussie. I will do Aussie. So since Ali is a great YouTube member, it just costs $5 a month. You get priority on this live. I'm starting to stop saying all the time. It is a Norwegian thing, maybe. Hopefully not. And and like a part of like how you speak in Norway, as to understanding me as a person, but also the Norwegian way, we're a bit more reserved. But one thing that you come away from Norway is, yeah, that's kind of the sounds that we make. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, Chief. Okay. First of all, bro, did you buy down here? I bought. What did I buy? I think I bought it up here, like around 1720 yesterday. I think it was. So I hope you have bought down there. That was a great buy. Yeah, somewhere in this area around 77.20. It's 30. I don't know. Doesn't matter. But I bought there. Yeah, I did. Did I tell the YouTube in my? Did I tell that to my? Did I flag that? Me and James were talking about Aussie, but yeah. So James said he bought at 77.24, and I probably bought around the same time. So around just at 10 p.m. my time. Which I'm telling you to do, guys, by the way. That's where you're supposed to be. That's your job. As long as you're bullish, as I said, as long as you're above this price, and we held above this price, you are entitled to do your job. Alright, so USD landed right on that support. Yes, it did. Chief, keep the so it's clear sell. Yeah, got a 77.22. Boom, fantastic, bro. That's how you join. That's how you join the community of profits, people. Community of profits. Happy about that. The thing is, it doesn't always work out, but this time it went out. You got in at 77.50. That's around just below the current price, and 77.60 as well. So okay, that's a bit high. I would wait for tomorrow at 77.40 tomorrow, probably about your 11 a.m., 2 a.m. my time, and see if we got a like on that. I like that. Can we buy oil? So yeah, great. We will do. Sanjay Gandhi says, please do Euro USD. Well, we sure will. There is two things in my mind right now. I will do Aussie, and then I will do oil, and then I will do USD CAD in that order, and then we'll do Euro. I'm called the Viking Pip Master. Salvador Lulares says, how? How do you mean how? Have you asked the question earlier? Maybe not. But yeah. So yesterday was a lot of people from America. So maybe Salvador's is Spanish. So South America is coming in today. Please show the settings of Wayne pivots. Okay. So you have two requests now. I will firstly deal with this one because of the YouTube membership. That's kind of what you get in this channel here. So 77.40, give or take, is an attempt. The other question to this is, as long as we're above here. So if we come deep tomorrow, I don't like that. I really don't like that. So I hope that this continues higher from here. I don't want to be down here at 77 again. So if you see price down to 77 again, do not care. And the target is 78.80. Is it? 78.60. Sorry. That's the target. Bit lower. Give or take. Alright, bye. Can we buy Volvo stocks? So there is this funny thing that happened today, people. It is absolutely funny. So this guy Hardik, we had a conversation today, and he told me that, you know, bro, I told him that I was going to the Volvo today, and he didn't understand a thing of what I've said. Volvo what? And I'm like, dude, like, how difficult is that really, right? So that is not the video I wanted to see. This is not loaded, so I have no clue, by the way, what I have sent. There you go. So I sent in my video. Can I really show that without showing everyone that? Let's see. Is there anything like... Does that work? No, I can't. Come on. That is annoying. You can't switch screens, can you? You can't switch screens. Ugh. So I can't show that without destroying, without showing my personal things within. Okay. Wait, if I do that though, does that work? That works. Okay, so I will just do that then. Okay. So, can I... No, that doesn't work. Okay. whatever. So I showed this video to him. I think it's okay to show that video to you guys. Check out the little sound. So when I told him I'm going to Volvo, he's like, "What is Volvo? It's a car manufacturer." I say I'm going to change the tires from winter to summer. But boy, did he know, this is a car. This is what I mean when I talk about a Volvo, right? Are you guys ready? I can't make it bigger than it already is because I will just destroy everything. Okay, cool. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This is how it is to be a Volvo driver, right? So I sent that to Sammy. So if you're in my WhatsApp group, by the way, my WhatsApp group is only for those who are in my mentorship group, but I do send funny ass things to them, and yeah. That's an 80 years. So yeah, I went to the Volvo showroom. Yeah, I did went to the Volvo showroom. No, that was not me. Mazen Eggy, very nice to have you here again. That happens in a month every day. But anyways, yeah, so if you are in my mentorship group, you are allowed, well, it's just for friends, to send funny things. Should I show the other one, bro? I can show the other one as well. That was the funniest thing, though. Let me see if I can show that without showing everyone all of that things. Let's see this again. Maybe not. So, and then I go to memory. Not there. There you go. Then I can take that one. Whoops. Nope. That was not my point. Okay, let's make this one bigger. Does that work? Yeah, okay, cool. Ah! Really, Indians or Pakistani people? Like, is that how you transport cars nowadays? Really? Really? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I don't want to put Indians in a bad spot, bro. Really. Creative Indians. So if you come to my channel for fun, I hope you also can comment what makes you come to my channel, why are you here on these live sessions. Please give it a small, you know, a small comment there. So first of all, bro, I'm actually saying no to buying oil. I have today switched my bias because of this. This is a clear bearish setup. Clear bearish setup. And well, I should have seen it. I'm sorry. I should have seen it though, but I saw it today. Well, sometimes you just, not realizing. So I was into that plan here. That's all okay as long as it holds here. So, if you bought 61, and I was bullish until today on this one, but now, no. As long as it stays below 64, this one's bearish. And this that nothing to do with Canadian dollar. Absolutely nothing. So, what's the Iranian Iranian news? What's the Iranian news? Oil news? Abbas? And so yeah. And I don't know if we're going down to 52, but it's definitely to the shorter side. So if you are buying, I would just say stop. And if you're selling, well, look for sell entries. There is no shame in changing, whatever you call it. There's no shame in changing before. There's no shame in changing before you go home. No, before you get stuck in trouble. So what's the news, bro? They let them export. I just saw that in Google it. Well, good morning, Mario. ¿Cómo estás? No, it's not ¿cómo estás? You are Italian. I can't remember what Italian is. Buongiorno. Yeah, I have seen that, but also Saudi Arabia on the other side is also cutting. So it's some and some zero. But yeah, everyone says they're cutting or wants to agree to cut, but everyone is producing more oil, sending oil down. But this is a reversal. And this is a reversal. So it's a reversal. This is a reversal on top of the reversal. So yeah, it's not bullish anymore. Okay, it's bearish. All right. So yeah, great. USD CAD. Oh lordy. Okay, so what really happened here? Is this a move you should be in? No, this is not a move you should be in. You might anticipate you can trade it if you really wanted to, but that is not what my strategy is about and where we should be. In this kind of situation is we're looking for bearish momentum, breaking the support, coming back to resistance, or some other places before falling again. Right now, we are still stuck in this range, and you can just do that. Whoops, I was not doing that. You can just do that. Come on. You can just do that, and then you have your range. If it breaks out, okay. Other than that, it's right now in the range, then yeah. But you might say you can come up to like levels like 25, 30. Okay. But I'm 10 now, unless it breaks, yeah. Wait for break. That's all. So, oil is turning bearish. USD CAD is a range. Then we can go to Euro USD. Okay? Euro USD is, what is it? Is it bearish and bullish? Chief, do you think there will be profit taking tomorrow and things come back to support for dollar pairs? Good question. I will do that now. Because what are you expecting for tomorrow? Tomorrow's ECB meeting. Okay? Tomorrow's ECB meeting that involves euro, some sort of dollar, but mostly euro. And we can expect a fall and we can expect a rise and then fall. Or just a rise. So there's like 3 options. I don't know, should I be live at that point when it happens to see like, should we trade it? First of all, with you guys, what I want to say is that we have a new low. That is not bearish, but just a new low. We have now come back up again. The question becomes, do we make a new lower low and then lower high? I will start sweating if we do that. But until here, it is still bullish. Now, what does it make? How do you trade that? How do you position yourself then? As a Gandhi, you say 1890. I'm not so interested in price. And why would you come down there? Maybe, yeah, okay. Great. But that's not what you should be for. That is not what in my head, that's not you as an expert. That is not what my expert, that is not you as an expert that I have trained what I want you to do. What I want you to do is, okay, first of all, number 1, protect your capital. Protect capital. Number 2, be ready. Protect capital, be ready. No, protect capital, be ready. Number 3, is then don't be scared. There's nothing to be scared about. And number 4, trade the aftermath. Trade the aftermath. Not trade the news. It's irrelevant what is going to happen. But once you have facts on the ground, because a move can be 50 to 100 pips, but the move afterwards could be 2 to 300 pips, and which one do you want to take? The high risk or medium risk? So do you take high risk 50 to 100, or do you take medium risk 200 to 300 pips? Okay, so wait for the analysis, wait for whatever they're doing, whatever they're saying. You know already, you should know already that we have hit weekly take profit. Okay, what happens when weekly take profit happens? We are then able to go down to 1850. Why do I say 1850? Because we didn't hit this weekly target this weekly buy zone last week. Then also solidifies this kind of support as head and shoulders. So this is a whole okay price to look for. Now, do you have buys in this place? 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 What do? I just went over that. Protect your capital. Set your stop loss to break even. Be ready and trade the aftermath. If you have trades that is closer than 50 pips or 200 pips, you probably want to take profit on them, just in anticipation, and then take it afterwards. If we now go higher, you probably have trades down here that you're not afraid of. So, comment section today, how is it? Hi Ahmad. Very much welcome. As a member, first of all. And then, good day. Ivan with a Y, David, that's a different name. Ivan is not me, that's a different guy. I'm sorry, bro. It's actually a name. And how many people does it call Ivan? Like 397 men is called Ivan. So yeah, not me. Sorry. Mankind, how are you? I'm very good, very good. So please, those who just joined in, what makes you join this live session today? Was it the thumbnail? Was it my humor? Is it my analysis? Is it my knowledge? Is it that you're bored? What is the reason? I really want to know. When do I do MTF analysis? Is that multi-time frame analysis, David? Probably weekends. What they... But for me, rates keep the same. Buying bonds, I'll sell if not. Might rise, so for now I'm just pause. Just wait. There's nothing. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay, Abbas, to be on pause mode. You take 50% break, even entries waiting. Okay. Can you look at ticket GU? We will sure do so. So, am I done with Euro? That I want you guys to protect yourself. And if it goes higher, it's not my verdict, and it's not my profit. If it falls, it's not my profit. But if it comes down here again, that would be great. Arcadius. Yeah. I hope your meeting went well, bro. Mate. So I had a conversation with my sister-in-law today. She lives in Australia, not Australian, but I said, "Yeah, mate, how you doing, mate? Have you eaten any kangaroo?" And then she just laughed at me. She's like, I can't speak this language. This Australian accent is so difficult for me. So, Ali, you have probably have a student, so to show how you should talk Aussie. So okay, GU. Okay. Where do we go in GU? GU is on above the weekly target. Go down to my daily. So on daily we have a stop loss here. So if you traded that, that's a stop out. Below S1 or M1, so that's a stopped out. I was stopped out of that one. Yeah, so whatever was here is already out. So the scalp for this one is out. And now I'm just waiting for new higher high, higher low. And today's just going into a range. So whatever. I don't know what I should do here. Just waiting for a new high. Yeah, I've seen 2 kangaroos while dropping the kids off to school. Wow, that's awesome, mate. That's pretty awesome, mate. I haven't seen a kangaroo in my life. So yeah. No, but GU is different. It's not gonna be killed tomorrow by the ECB. But you know, this is the support. The only trouble here, this is also support. This is also support, so I don't know which one it's going to be. And yeah, currently having a 50% retracement. But until it makes a higher high, you know, just waiting patiently. Thanks, God, kebab then. Well, Abbas, Ali, don't you make kebabs? You should order from Ali. Yeah, nothing more here. If you want to buy, you can buy it, but I will just have it on pause. A man can says, what about a euro? I just did euros, though it's pretty great. Just finished work. Yeah, great. We make, but they eat dinner already. I'm just watching him. Okay, cool. So what was the next one? What's your next? What's next pair? Nobody has a shop. He has a kebab. He has a kebab shop. So this should be good, you know. As I know I'm. Yeah. So as we go higher on Aussie, New Zealand. Yeah, this is great. Pretty good buy here. I can't remember who bought it. Was it Ali or Hardik or someone bought it here? Fantastic. I think I said that yesterday, that as long as we are above what? Let's check. As long as we are above 71, I believe, should be that one, we can buy. This is a purely good buy. So congratulations, mate. Your next buy is probably around this price, around 71.96, pretty much. Got 2 kebab shops. Great. So we have Junior Huang. I don't do Mandarin or Malaysian. Like what's the most common Asian welcome word, you know, or is it just different, or is this different from every language? Like, is there one that everyone understands in Asia? I mean Asia, I mean China, Korea, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, like, Northeast East Asia. So, Gandhi asked, how do I apply? Which kind of indicators do I use? Okay, here we have one for free. Wayne pivots. There you go. You got a free ticket today. Great. How do you use them? Okay. Difficult question. Easy answer. So, you go to indicators, you add them to your charts. Let me take away one, maybe. Take away one ton. Go add to your charts, add them to your favorites, go down, add to your favorites, add them, and then replay this video. Okay? I'm only going to do it once. I don't care how fast or slow I do it. You have now, without music, free tutorial how to do it. If you can't do it, you can pay me and I will show you, and I will spend the whole day with you if that's what it needs, but I will only show it for free once. I have 3 of them, daily, weekly, monthly. I only have one there right now because I took away one. Daily, monthly, weekly, I have one. That is time frame. I changed the time frame to 1 daily. Currently it's the same as charts. So for 1 hour, it shows the daily. Yeah. So I then go to style. I then go to OOP buy, take those off. I then go to bullish exit and bearish exit. I change the color to this one and then 35%. See, this one changed. Bearish exit. Green, 35%. That's all the settings I have. So, monthly, weekly, daily, and I use them differently. But yeah, that's all. All separate, but they all speak English. So how do you apply Fibonacci and Wayne's pivot settings? So there is no other. So if you want more than that, bro, you are more than welcome to set me up as your advisor and something in between. But I don't bother to do this too many times because there's many times I need to do it for many. And if I accept doing that all the time, it takes a lot of time. So, timestamped around 36 minutes into this video, 21st of April 2021. So now you can just go back to it. All right, great, no problem. S&P 500, we can do that. Did you say that it rose? That it rose $40 or something today? Okay. So first of all, it came down to the 21 EMA. Great, fantastic. That's about good. It also come down to the monthly buy. So that's not the monthly buy zone. I don't think that's a monthly buy yet. But I think we might kick off here. I want us to kick off there. That's what I want to. We will do gold, bro. Do not worry. Okay, sorry. I will do that. I'll do that next. Okay. So S&P 500, and I don't know, some kind of that. So I'll just wait. I don't day trade this one. If you're day trading, let's go to day trading. If you day trade this, take all this away. And then day trading, is it week daily? Really? Okay, cool. That was your buy zone, Mike. And then tomorrow at around 41.50. And then higher. Okay, great. Boom. Gold. Gold mine. Are you a gold mine? Casually just looking into the ones on. So, okay. Where are we now right now? I talked to Hardik today. We made a new higher high around that time. So, what do you do now? I said reduce exposure here because I did not like that candle. Then we spiked up. Okay, I'm sorry. I freaked out. I'm sorry. Not freaked out, but I didn't like that. We had a double top. And then I thought this one coming down. I'm sorry for saying that. My apologies. So for tomorrow, we're still bullish, apparently. On the month, we're coming up to the R2 for the month. Is that significant? Sometimes not for the Aussie. No, for gold. You might want to be more cautious here, but still, as long as we're going higher, we're still going higher. And yeah, pretty good, mate. So, what's the analysis? Okay, maybe I'd say this too many times. I apologize for saying this too many times, but here we go. How do you do technical analysis? Okay, support and resistance. Place them out. Okay. Is this a higher low? No. Is this a higher low? Yes. 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 As long as you are able to say yes on your question, you're good to go. Okay? As long as you're able to say yes, that this is a higher high, higher low situation, you're then allowed to buy the next day. It doesn't matter if this falls tomorrow and breaks, because then you just stop. Then you only have one loss, okay? Only one loss if it breaks. Because you don't control the market and what it does. You then are able to control what do you do next. Do you add more buy positions if it makes a lower low? Yes or no? And by the way, it can even come down to 1770 and still be bullish in my eyes. It has to break 1770 on a 4-hour low. And if it comes up with this 55, okay, that is not a good sign that it holds 55, but 55 has previously been traded and still at least continued somehow lower. Okay, that's a 4-hour. On the 1 hour, see, that's the 200 EMA, but day trading, easy, lemon squeezy, straightforward. I did this already as a support at around 1783. If you get 1783, if you get it at 6 a.m. in the morning, tomorrow morning, that is in whatever, in 10 hours from now, great. So currently, yeah, target is still 2000. What else, Ollie? Have I done Canadian? Yes, I have. And this is because we have a central banking policy change on the Canadian. I should have posted much more. I do apologize for being off today. I apologize for not being posting so much today. I do apologize very much. The reason why is because I've had terrible sleep as of late. I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning to recalibrate myself. I've done a ton of other things. I've gone to the dentist today. One of my mentorship students called me in the middle of the work of the dentist, and I forgot to tell you guys I'm sorry. And I wanted to change some tires on the car. So, you know, I went full of other things, and I almost got late. So, yeah, it is what it is today. You are great. So, what really happened to Canadian? Do you have a central bank policy change? Canadian dollar strengthened, not out of the blue, but because of this, because of the take profit for the shorts of Canadian. So the next question then, are we going to see continuation on the bullish of a bullish trend on Canadian? Yet to see. But most of the Canadian pairs stopped out of their tracks because the bearish momentum is now temporarily over. Temporarily over. Pound Aussie. Temporarily over. Temporarily over. So I think that price right now is trying to recalibrate, trying to find some more buyers of CAD. So if you can actually see my drawings here, I actually said this is a buy price on your CAD if you're wondering. I bet you know if you do that. Abbas says ENPH. What is that, Abbas? Shadra Chakraborty? Subadip. Sorry. I'm just learning your name for the first time. So if I said it right, I'm sorry. Euro USD. I've already done Euro USD 2 times now, so you can go back in this video. Please give it a comment when you've seen it. ENH stock. Because I'm in it, please. So we can do that as of late. On the other side, the change in the Canadian central banking policy is a major event, and everyone should read about it. And I have posted, I don't know if I posted, I think I posted something in a news channel about it. I have to check. I did not. I apologize. I will do that now. Did I do that in the public one? I did not either. Oh my god, I'm bad. Sorry. So, here we are. Good to go. Aussie higher, Euro higher, but tomorrow there's an ECB meeting. It can go both ways. Be prepared for this one to fall because we've hit target already. If it falls, if it rises, I don't know. It doesn't need to fall. It doesn't need to rise. Don't do stupid trades. Don't enter before because you don't know the future. But once we know if there is a change, probably expecting no change or whatsoever, then we can go back to trading. But so far, there is high alert in your ears. High alert in your ears. I'm saying high alert. And if you're selling this one, for the love of your trading career, please don't buy dollar in a bearish trend. Why do I say that? Because somebody doesn't know how to do proper analysis. And I don't know who you are, but some of you are not because 60% is selling, 62% is selling, 67% is selling, 61% is selling, 60-90% of selling is selling trends that is going higher. And you're wondering why retail traders are losing money? Because they're not doing the proper work. This, my bro, sorry, let me make it very, very easy to read. This, bro, is an uptrend, if you're wondering. This is support. This is support. This is support. This is not a top. It's a temporarily top. And until we break this 20 line, then we can start thinking of it. Okay? Until then, good. So, what's the next pair? Next pair. So, next pair. If not, I will do ENPH. Energies. And I guess it's a NASDAQ, so we'll do that. Then that's a stock. Then you have to do your fundamental analysis on the stock. I have absolutely no clue whatsoever on this one. But they seem to be making money. They don't have a lot of... they're increasing their sales, but not increasing their profits. And the profit margin is 17% and 25%. Okay. That's a good year, but 2020, they should do better than that. And yeah, I don't know if the rise has already been there. But 2020 has been good, I would say. But right now, we are downtrending, 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 downtrending. If this is the bottom at 140, probably could be. But don't have too high hopes on it. It has not been a higher high yet. And wait for the next month. It is monthly. This is monthly. So if it makes a higher high, come back to the monthly next month and then do that. Because, as you can see, monthly, monthly, almost monthly, monthly. As long as it trends upwards, it still goes down to the monthly buy zone. So that's what I will do. All right, we have 21 people here right now today. Yeah, you're most welcome. I do not know what the target is. I don't know the fundamentals of this. It's only my personal opinion. This trading forex is risky and appropriate for everyone, even trading stocks. Just a personal opinion that's been mentioned in this video. That's all. Nobody asked about GJ. It's stuck. EuroJ is stuck. CADJ is, I thought it was bearish, and I thought this is going to crash. Well, now it's going higher again. Aussie is in a range, and New Zealand yen is also in a range. There was some news. We can do the news for tomorrow. Important. It's coming more and more higher important news now. So even though I go into news, it might even be more important than ever to understand what to do with the information that's being given to you. It doesn't move the market still unless there's a large change, which this one did. But tomorrow, there's an ECB meeting. Tomorrow, there's a consumer confidence. Yeah, it's just okay, but it's not too much. But there's a press conference. So first of all, there is some ECB rating decision. Then there is the statement and the press conference, which is the important part of the plan. So be awake for both of them. Is that even my time? What's the time? These guys are just terrible. Like, what are you joking with? That's not even my time. It's not even 18:45 now. What are you coming here for? West European time. So, these monkeys. 13:45 and 14:30. Okay. So, what do you make of euro pound? Well, it was a great until the euro woke up, and now it's harder to work out. With dollar weakness, USD yen is getting ready for a break on the daily trend line. Took a small trade on USD yen shorts. I have already for this week at least said that USD yen is going down. So yeah, great. And I think Abba said I don't need to be alive tomorrow, so that's okay. Euro pound. So this is just a relative index thing. So I don't know, did they say that was a target? And you should be aware of that? I don't know. Well, now, okay, so what's really the deal here? What's really the deal here? This is buyers. This is their take profit. Great. Woohoo! Sellers got their sell here. And this could be their profit. And this could be their profit. I don't know which one it's going to be. But yeah. So 85.60 is the target. So be careful around there. Be careful around there. Okay? You're great. You're alright, mate. So I think it's difficult. It's not my favorite pair to trade, and technically still working out. It's still doing what you are expecting them to do, and they haven't really broken any rules or anything. So Still the place to sell off from. Somebody asked me about selling Swissy yen the other day, I remember. Maybe you got something out of this, but this is the range, bro. Sorry. Doesn't work out in the end. So, silver is rising. New higher high now. That's great. Just expecting it to come back down again, hopefully. Yeah. Gold is kind of the same thing. But yeah, so, yeah. Look for the pullback. Is euro showing strength? Well, it's, yeah, I would definitely say so. If this is the euro futures contract and it's going up, then yeah, it's definitely showing strength. All right, mate. Have a good night. Have a great day. If you are my mentorship student, what I would do on dollar right now, I will not be aggressive. I will be in my Aussie trades and my New Zealand trades and hope for the best. So euro is out for until tomorrow, and USD CAD is just whatever it is. So yeah, that's where I want to go. I want to trade Aussie and you. Great. Cheers, mate. Have a great day. And if you want more of my help, yeah, join the Discord channel. I don't know, do I reach out to new people? Maybe. It's just the same guy every time. So, but anyways, if you are struggling, I'm here for you. Please come have a chat and see if we can help you out with your trading. And most times, the feedback I get from my Zoom meeting is they're absolutely blown away and they're absolutely overwhelmed with information because it's so much to take in because I have so much diverse things to say. And I unlock a lot of boxes each time. So, cheers, mate. You're welcome. Have a great day.